tight. So we could not get this loose, so we went to our friend in Australia's method. We're just taking the bracket off. Those are 14 millimeter bolts. They actually come off pretty easy.
Yeah, they're not torqued on there super tight.
So
the only problem was getting to this back one. Since it's on an angle, I had to use
yeah, kind of a funky mishmash of socket stuff. But that, for some reason, this shock was each one of these shocks is different. None of these were the same on what we had to deal with.
They're all the same to put it in, but
it's all the same to get them in, but to get them off,
easy to put the new ones in.
Yeah,
the old ones out.
Yeah, on that one. So we're taking this bracket off. That's the. There we go, and that we should be able to pop that bracket off. Boom! And guess what's going to happen now?
Stuck around the shock.
Here, you want me to hold the shock up?
Yeah, hold the shock up.
All right. There we go. I'll hold it up. Then you get that bracket out of there. There you go.
All right.
Bracket.
And then guess what we get to do? We get to do this, and then just
done.
This stupid piece of shit out.
Done.